Hello everyone. This video is in response to a post from Acid Arrow, who's been using TextMesh Pro, and basically what he wants to do is he'd like to take a string and reveal one character of that string at a time, sort of do a reveal. The approach that he took is he took his main string and basically was composing a substring and passing one character at a time, sort of building up that string to TextMesh Pro. And it kind of worked. But he ran into an issue, which is if you look at this area here based on the word wrapping, we have enough space here to fit a couple letters. So as he was feeding each character, eventually the P would show up. And since that was the last character that he fed, there's no point in terms of wrapping anything, so it worked. Then the A would show up, which again, still worked, doesn't trigger word wrapping. And then the R would pop up. Now, as soon as the R would pop up, then word wrapping would occur, and suddenly, magically, the P and the A would appear on the second line with the R and then the K and the question mark. So this behavior of this A or a partial word showing up and then being moved to a second line is basically the behavior that he's trying to avoid. So I wasn't too sure how to get that done, and basically there was a suggestion made by Wagenheimer, who basically said, hey, can't you give us like a new property where we could control the number of visible characters? And I thought, maybe that could work. So here's what I did. So let me disable this and turn this on, which it is. So I have a script here that's using the same string. And what we're doing here is, if I make the cursor go away, now we can see that we're revealing one character at a time. I'm using a coroutine that's updating at 0.1 second interval to build this. And what I'm essentially doing is, if we're exceeding the number of visible characters, I'm setting the vertex color or its alpha to fully transparent, which basically makes it go away. Now, the advantage of doing this is for any given frame, TextMesh Pro is rendering the whole thing. It's controlling the full wrapping, which means I can dynamically change all of that, and I will never end up with a partial word. So if I go back to example with the P and the A, which is roughly here, see that since park doesn't fit completely, it puts it on the second line, achieving the result that he wants. So now another cool thing is all the dynamic properties now could be animated via script or through the API, and it just plain works. So not sure if that is a fully workable solution for you. Let me know. If you have any concerns or comments, please feel free to post. Thanks for watching.